Hi guys, and welcome back to 7 Sensational Girls. This week's theme is unboxing. I'm kind of not a box, but I am going to be unboxing / opening a manfrotto pixi mini tripod in white. So let's get into this. I have no idea how to open these stupid things. So we get an instruction book, and then we get this little cup. Oh, that's heavy. Right, let's just get my camera. I want to make sure it fits. That's quite big. So that fits a Sony DSC-HX80. Don't know. Okay, that does that. Let's put. There we go. So obviously, there we go. And this legs extend. It's white. It was actually from Curry's, and it was $15.99. Some of these are Bite and Jessup's, a black one, the same size as it is. There's one for £40, and then there's one for $25.99. Don't get it, to be honest. Why is it different prices? Then Argos is $24.99. You get the instructions. Kind of simple. You get a piece of cardboard. And it tells you what cameras it can fit. It can even fit DSLR with standard kit lens, compact camera, iPhone with the KLYP. But I don't know. Anyway, I've got this, and I'm actually really looking forward to using it. I like it because it's white, and most YouTubers have the black one. And yeah, so guys, I am filming for my collab channel, and I'm vlogging now as well. So you just say hello to yourselves. So yeah, I love it, and I've got the new tripod. So yeah, that's basically all it is, a white manfrotto mini pixi tripod. Really like it. Keep that in the middle. There we go. So yeah, you'll be seeing me use this on my channel a lot more. You can do that. I can go like that. It's quite cool. I actually really like it. Kind of reminds me of a three-legged spider. But I really do like the white design. More sleek, I would say. Sleek and elegance. Elegance? Whatever the word is. I don't even know anymore. So, that is my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Next Friday on the collab is makeup collection, I think. I'm going to find it. I'm sure it's makeup collection next week on the collab. Yeah. And then another unboxing. I don't know, next week is life hacks. And then it's makeup collection. I don't know, I'll work it out. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And comment down below some video ideas. I don't know what else to say. I'll see you guys next Fabulous Friday. Bye.